Hi, this is Aldrete with Volkswagen. I'm a product specialist and I've been working here for about 8 years. What I like the most about my job is seeing people living with a smile with their new car. We try to make it as pleasant possible. It's not very pleasant to buy a car, but with us, it's very easy. So when I'm free, it's my day off. Usually I like to go surfing, mountain biking, and stay with my family and try to enjoy life at the fullest. And my favorite Volkswagen is gonna be the Jetta GLI. It's very practical, it's a blast to drive, great on fuel economy, and I can put all my friends in the car, I can put my board in the car, the bikes. It's a really useful car for everything. I would say give me an opportunity to turn your business. The good thing to buying a car from me is I will find you the best possible deal and you're gonna live with a really good experience. I've been doing this for 12 years. I've been working at the store for 8. So I will make sure to work extra hard for you guys. And again, guys, my name is Aldrete and I can't wait to see you. Come and see me. Thank you.